always been interested in entrepreneurship. It's an honor being here because this is a one in a lifetime opportunity.
From the first day on, the first second on, so to see so many people, because I could not imagine how big it was actually.
Yeah, it was an amazing experience, a great learning experience. We learned how to work with a team.
People are so open-minded and they really want to go new ways.
The whole idea of the incubation, now it's a hot topic that about startups, people trying to generate their ideas to put them in a tangible way.
We also learned how to take an idea from theory to practice and how to prioritize the tasks. So we went through all the process of how to go from an idea to the market and do the market analysis.
I compare it to what I see also around with other people that study in different universities, and these key opportunities that this university is offering, it's for me priceless.
We had a great working experience. We worked so hard, I would say.
Don't miss out this opportunity. Take advantage of it.